Shout out to all my fellow foodies who love to be happy and satisfy their cravings for good food. It's time to learn some new cooking tips to save our time, make a food finger licking good, and help a family bond more and more. Tell everyone it's time to watch our favorite cooking show, Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show. Welcome to Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show. Tell everyone it's time to watch our favorite cooking show, Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show. Welcome to Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show.
Hello foodies, this is Chef Debbie and welcome back to my channel, and this is another episode of the Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show. On this show every week we share beautiful videos of recipes from across the globe, and today we are going to be showing you new and exciting way of making egusi soup. To make egusi soup, there are some basic ingredients that you need. Now, there are many ways of preparing egusi depending on how or consistency and the look that you're gunning for. You can, if you want to make it lumpy, you want to make it a bit syrupy, or you want to make it fried. There are many ways. So, what I'm going to be showing you today is my own way of cooking egusi. Now, when you cook egusi, traditionally in Yoruba land, when you make egusi soup, it does not have any vegetable, no leaves. When you have leaves in egusi, there's another name that Yoruba people call that, and they call it osiki. I have another video about egusi jebu on my channel. Please do check it out. Today, for our ingredients for this egusi soup, I have some stockfish here, salt, seasoning cube, locust beans, iru, diced red onion. I have egusi here. I have tiny seeds and some extra onions, blended dry shrimps, palm oil, some dry fish that have been shredded and washed, and washed bitter leaf, a pepper mix. I have here red bell pepper, red chili, habanero pepper, and onion, red onion. So over here I have some few leaves of uziza leaves. It's going to create another dynamic to our soup today. And let's not forget our ugu leaves, that's the pumpkin leaves. I have some water for blending, and I have my blender here. I have some goat meat here already cooking in the pressure cooker, and I'll just open it and add it to the soup at the appropriate time. So let's start cooking. Right now, I want to blend my egusi so that we can start preparing our soup, which I promise you is going to be delicious. I need to add enough water. Okay, this seems fine. Our egusi is well blended now and it's ready for cooking. Okay, so I need to heat up my pan. So I need to heat up the pan and go in with my palm oil. The pan is heated up nicely, so I go in with my oil. Next, I go in with the blended egusi. Wow. I'll leave you guessing until the end of the program about what I'm going to be pairing this soup with. Sorry, I need to get out all the egusi. Yeah, that is done. So my egusi is frying beautifully, and I'm just going to fry it for like 3 to 5 minutes. Beautiful. You can see the color. Very bright and appealing. When you make this, especially in large gatherings or parties, it's usually an high pleaser. People love to eat it. So I can go in now with my locust bean. This is beautiful. I'm going in with my blended shrimp. This is good. And it has cooked beautifully. So I go in with my onion and the pepper mix. So I'm going to cover it up and let it cook for like 3 to 5 minutes. While I clear away this place.
Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show.
also be adding some of the stock. I'll give it a slight stir and then cover it and let it cook. So I'm going to give it taste it so that I can adjust the seasoning. So I can season it now. With seasoning cube and some salt. Give it a good stir and allow this to cook for 10 to 12 minutes. So before I add the vegetables, so I'll see you there.
Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show.
So it's been 10 minutes and the egusi is cooked perfectly. So I need to go in now with my vegetable. I'm going in with the uziza leaves first. Then the washed bitter leaf. I'll give that a stir, and then before I add the pumpkin leaves, ugu leaf. So I'm going to let it cook for like 2 minutes because the uziza leaf and the bitter leaf are much more tougher leaves than the ugu leaf. So, but because once I add the ugu leaves, the soup is done. So this will cook for like 2 minutes. Then we go in with the ugu leaves, and then we clean up the table, and our food is ready to be served. This looks pretty, by the way. It's pretty, and I'm sure it tastes amazing. After I add the ugu, I'm going to give it a taste. So this is beautiful. So now I finish it up with the ugu leaves. And there you have it. The food is ready to be served. I'll just keep it on the fire until the leaves are well mixed. I don't want them overcooked. I like to see the greenness in my ugu leaves when I serve the food. So this looks beautiful and delicious. Now, if you would prefer a more looser consistency, you can add your water or some stock. But this is perfect for me. I'm happy with the way it has turned out. So let's give it a taste. The combination of the 3 leaves give a distinct aroma. You just need to try it out. So I'm going to turn off the heat now, and I'll clean out the table, and I'll have my guests over for tasting. Thank you.
Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show.
Welcome back, and this is Chef Debbie. So our pounded yam and egusi is ready for tasting, and I'm so excited because I have one of my biggest fans here on the show with me to do the tasting. And guess what? He's here with his daughter, and that gives me so much happiness. You're welcome to the show, sir. And please introduce yourself to our viewers at home.
My name is Olamide.
And we have
Olamide.
Olamide is here too, so I'm excited. So, do you like Nigerian food so much?
Yes, ma.
She does. So let's hear what she has to say about this pounded yam and egusi soup. So please, sir, dig in. And Olamide, please dig in. What do you think, sir?
Tastes so good.
Thank you.
I wish you can invite me a million times.
Wow.
That's all.
That's so kind of you. Thank you. Olamide, what do you think?
I think it's delicious and it's tasty.
Thank you. Can you pinpoint anything that's different about this soup?
No, ma.
Okay, so I'll tell you. I added 3 different kinds of leaves in this soup. There's bitter leaf, there's ugu pumpkin leaves, and then there's uziza leaf. Uziza leaf is usually used in eastern part of Nigeria dishes, but it's now very common around Lagos too. And so I would like to have a different taste each time. I could also add scent leaf and a combination of maybe 1 or 2 of the other leaves. It gives a distinct aroma, creates a different feel entirely, and it just generates something different each time. I hope you have learned something on the show.
Yes, ma. Thank you, ma.
You're welcome.
Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show.
So there you have it, guys. Please make sure you try this recipe and let me know what you think in the comment section. I'll be waiting for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also follow me on all the other social media platforms. Now, for your advert placement and for sponsorship bookings, you can contact me through my email address, which is in my bio. Thank you. So till another episode of Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show, it's bye from me.
Shout out to all my